now that we're taking off the trim pieces, we are finally able to take off the door. But in order to do that, we have to disassemble some parts, like the door handles, the lock, the window, and the vent. In order to take off the vent, we have to take 3 screws out here, and a bolt, this one bolt here, and then to take out the window, we gotta take off these seals. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is that we are going to take off the screws that are right here. Two. 3. I dropped it.
We didn't need it anyhow.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to take this 11-meter bolt. Millimeter bolt. Sorry. Actually, we only have to take 1 out to do this, so that's easy enough. Myself. Oh. Now we're going to push this out a little bit. We can. Okay.
No, leave that closed. Let's get the seals off.
Okay. Now we're going to use.
Can you get from that side?
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Actually, can I pull this off?
Yeah, absolutely.
I can. Oh.
To a-
That side, though.
To a point.
It goes down.
Mm-hmm.
This one. Okay. Almost got this part out.
What we got?
It's still caught, so it's a hook that attaches to this. And so what I'm trying to do is that I'm going to try to unhook the seal, and so it'll be easy to take it off. So, here's something. Okay, so we got the seal out. See, there are hooks that hook to where these holes are. You can kind of see them. It was hard. It took a couple of us to get it out, but in the end, we finally got this side and this side out. Okay, so now we're going to take the glass off the track, and then we're going to place this down, and then we are going to take out the vent. Got it. Got it. Okay. There we go. Here's the vent. Okay, Dad, window's coming up.
Just gotta go that way a little bit more. You don't come to it. I can't put my fingers around it. Tilt it to me.
Okay.
The side's tilt. There we go.
There There we go. Voila. Okay, so now that we got the vents and the window out, we can finally take out these 11mm bolts, which hold like a guider for the window. And then once we take those off, then we can take off the key assembly.
It's okay. You can put your hand through the hole and hold on to it.
There we go. Got that out. Okay, now we're going to take out the keys. Okay.
Okay.
Push it.
Yeah, push this that way to pump it this
Yep.
way. There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Actually, watch.
Ooh. Use this battery. Woo!
Got it?
I got it.
Okay, let yours go. Oh, it's pushing up.
Why?
It's pushing up on the inside there. All right.
So we were able to get everything off the doors. We weren't able to record because everything was inside the door and it was hard for us to get all of the camera angles. Here is what the latch looks like, which goes right here. You can see that there's a lot of linkages, which is one of the many difficulties we had because it was all connected together. The reason why it was so hard was because we have all these rubber things that were just so bad we could not unhook it, so we had to grab a screwdriver to pry it out. Here is the door handle, which naturally goes there. You got the armrest, which goes from the inside right here. And then we got the keyhole out, and then we got the lock out. And we were able to get all of this out with an 11mm socket. So now that we got everything out, we are going to take off the door, and we're going to start taking off the paint. So we got 3 bolts here and 3 bolts here, and we are going to use a 1/2-inch socket to take them out. We're only going to take the 2 out from the top and 2 out from the bottom, so that would be easy for us to hold the door, as we're taking the last one out, so we can be able to move it over to our table.
So how about an update?
Well, taking out the bolts was a little bit harder than we thought. So we finally got 2 out here, and now we are starting on one of them down here. And unfortunately, this we can't, we have to only use it a couple of times. We're going to go manually just because, I'm not sure if you can see, like this section right here. We can only like have it out so much, so it'll be easy for us to take it like out. So. You ready?
I'm ready. left? Okay.
One left.
Okay.
Got it. Okay. Doors off. See?
All right. Time to strip some paint.